Talking to you today from my home in Aurora, Colorado. I first became involved in Life Force in 2006. That's when I started drinking this wonderful healthy product called Body Balance. It made such a significant impact on my own health and my energy level that soon after I started the business. That's when I shared it with my family, and that's when it became so rewarding to have an opportunity to give people their health. My mother, she's 90 years old, and she was becoming very depressed and exhausted with all her health concerns. So I shared it with her. She drank it. I want you to see her now. She's living on her own, on her farm, with her dog and her 2 cats, and doing quite well. When I was home this past summer, she made a little testimonial for me that she wanted to share with others. So you'll hear a bunch of locusts in the back because it was made on a hot summer day in Kansas, unlike this beautiful cold day here in Colorado. But meet my mother, Babe Carr, and listen to what she has to say. Thank you very much.
My name is Babe Carr. Not long ago, my daughter introduced me to Body Balance. I'm so glad she did, because at 90 years of age, you need some help. And believe me, Body Balance puts the zest back in your life.